Hello everyone, these are sunflower seeds. A relatively common type of seed rich in vitamin E and folate. They are often used to press for oil or split to eat with other seeds such as pumpkin seeds, walnuts, etc. Normally when we go to buy sunflower seeds, they will have this shape. But we often have difficulty peeling the shell. If you peel them by hand, your fingertips will quickly hurt. Do you know how to peel melon seeds quickly and without hurting your hands? Let's learn how to peel sunflower seeds quickly. You need to prepare a pair of chopsticks. If you don't have chopsticks, take 2 small wooden sticks shaped like this. Put the 2 wooden sticks together and tie them tightly with a rubber band. Then, put them on top and prepare a piece of tissue paper. Cut it into small pieces like this, then fold it and place it between the 2 chopsticks. Lift the chopsticks up a little to form a clamp. This is a homemade tool for peeling sunflower seeds. When peeling the seeds, we just need to put the sunflower seeds between 2 chopsticks and clamp them tightly to easily peel the shell. In addition, this tool can also be used to peel peanuts. However, the disadvantage of this tool is that it cannot hold the force, so the inside is often not kept intact. Next, try using nail clippers. Let's see how to peel sunflower seeds with nail clippers. Just use nail clippers available at home. After cleaning the pliers, we will put the sharp end of the melon seeds into the pliers, press lightly. Then you just need to gently peel off the shell. When you rub the shell, the melon seeds will automatically fall out. This way, your hands will not hurt when peeling sunflower seeds. We can peel any number of melon seeds this way. If you peel the seeds this way, it will be very convenient to eat. If you also love sunflower seeds, try this method. I rate this method 9 points, the separation is fast and the seeds are still intact. Third way. Use a key. It is best to choose a key with a small hole in the middle. We will put the sunflower seeds into the keyhole and turn. Then, the melon seeds will be easily peeled. This method is also quite simple. However, the seeds are still broken and not intact, but method number 2. Another thing to note is that after removing the shell, do not rush to throw away the sunflower seed shell. Sunflower shells also have a lot of nutrients, use them to sprinkle on your orchid basket. After a month, your orchid will grow very well. Or you can compost them to fertilize other vegetables in the garden. Above are 3 small tips to peel sunflower seeds. Hope it will help you. If you have any good tips, please comment below so everyone can know. Thank you. See you in the next videos.